Hey there, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process on how to download and install Visual C++ in Windows 10 or 11. Firstly, let's check if you already have Visual C++ installed. Simply click on the search box in your Windows 10 or 11 and type appwiz.cpl, then hit Enter. This will open up the Programs and Features window where you can check if Microsoft Visual C++ is listed. If it's not there, you'll need to install it. I've included a link in the video description for you to download the latest version. Once you've copied the link, paste it into your browser, and it'll take you to the official download page. Scroll down. Here you'll see options for different architectures like x86 for 32-bit and x64 for 64-bit. To find out your PC's architecture, type System in the search box and select System Information. Here, you'll find your system type. Based on that, choose the appropriate version to download. Here you can see. After clicking on the download link, the installation file will start downloading. Depending on your internet speed, it may take a while. Once the download is complete, locate the downloaded file and click on it to open the installation wizard. Follow the prompts, agreeing to the license terms and conditions, and then click Install. You might need to grant permission by clicking Yes if prompted by the user account control. After the installation is complete, you'll see a message indicating that the setup was successful. Click Close to finish. Now, go back to the appwiz.cpl to confirm that Microsoft Visual C++ is listed. If it's not showing up immediately, try restarting your PC. That's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed Microsoft Visual C++ on your Windows PC. It's a simple process, and I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. If you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel before you go. See you in the next video. Bye for now.